So I'm just going to take you through some results from the gym aware sessions that we just performed, and how these loads have then been manipulated as they've gone set by set. So this is for the box squat band, and the prescribed velocity of what everybody was 0.6 meters per second. So you can see set one here, we've got 140 kilos. This isn't actually 140 kilos, this is an added 50 kilos, so it's 90 kilos in bar weight and 50 kilos with the bands. But as we've got on here, set average here over the set 0.59, 0.64, 0.63, 0.54, dropped off slightly there, 6.1 and 0.54 on there. So he's felt comfortable. This is his first set there, so a bit of a warm-up set, if you will. Now, if we can see coming into set 2, there's obviously been a bit of post-activation potentiation. He's fully warmed up now, so at the same load here now, velocity's jumped up, and he's coming in those upper thresholds, apart from the 5th repetition there, which is dropped below the 0.6. But he's felt pretty good all the way through, so he's decided to up his weight, so he's put 5 kilos on either side, 10 kilos in total. It's set number 3, 6.9, 6.2, 6.3, 0.6, 0.6, 0.62. So having to work really hard to stay above that threshold there. It's exactly what we're looking for. Coming into set 4, the bar weight's exactly the same. Again, probably this last set has taken a lot out of him towards his back, and these reps that he's going to be fighting for here. First set 0.62, 0.64, 0.58, 0.58, and he's dropped way below there. At this point there, this set would more than likely to end it around this point there, as he's starting to drop below, and the likelihood of him getting another repetition going back over is going to be slim. So we just stop that set there, so this set's not overly fatiguing. We're going to look at another athlete now. Okay, so it's a good idea and indication now of where he's up to, and manipulating, getting the exact load right. So 140 kilos here, far too slow. 0.5, 0.48, 0.52, 5.5, 5.3, 5.4, so nowhere close to the threshold that I've set. This is an athlete who I'm constantly having to speak to all the time, not because of work ethic, but he's almost too nice when he's doing this power work. He doesn't quite generate the type of intensity and intent that a lot of the other players do. Second set, so he drops out by 10 kilos and suddenly he's jumped right back up. So again, there's probably some potentiation effect coming from this set, and the low's 10 kilos lighter, but suddenly he's way over where we need him to be, way over. Okay, so what we're asking him to do then is to increase that bar weight, but we'll go for a nice middle rep range here to get the optimal load that we're looking for. And set number 3 is perfect, 0.64, exactly where we want him to be all the way through the rep, through the set. Set number 5 then, again, for some reason it's only recorded 5 repetitions, but he seems to have got a lot more comfortable from this set here now when he's jumped back onto his there. So 0.67, 6.6, 6.9, 7.1, 6.8. So there's probably been a potentiation effect from the previous couple of sets that he's been doing there. And what I would assume is that his technique is dialed in a lot more. I'll find when these exercises, when the box squat in particular, when people crash into the box, they become almost a dead weight. When there's a tight, paused, relaxed phase on the box, where they hold some tension, that they were able to generate a lot more force on the way up. And that's what I would assume that is going on in this scenario here.